Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the back button or swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm option and tap on it. And here we can set up our alarm clock. To do it, tap on plus button. Now set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and then on minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And here we have the edit alarm menu. We can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. We can scroll down, edit the time again if you want to, and then you can scroll down even more. And here you have the repeat option. If you tap on it, you can select on which days the alarm should repeat, and you have only once. If this option is selected, the alarm will go off only once and then it will turn itself off. But for example, if you select Monday, it will go off on every Monday. And you can select every day, or basically the days you like. For example, you can select Tuesday, Wednesday, or maybe Tuesday and Friday. And then you can go back by swiping right on the screen. And as you can see, the alarm will repeat on Tuesday and Friday. And once you're done, you can press the back button or swipe right on the screen, and you should have your alarm right here in the alarms menu. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch, or rather on the box or circle right here. You can add more alarms if you want to, like this, and you can have multiple ones. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on the arrow next to the alarm, tapping on delete, and tapping on the pen icon, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarm clocks, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.